Welcome to Michael Civil Consult. In this video, I will show you how you can change the background color of your motherboard in AutoCAD. That's the interface color. So as you can see, the interface is in green while the background is in white. So how can you change it? To change it, we need to go to options. So to go to options, you right click on any point on the interface, then come down here, click on the option. So after clicking on the option, yes, this dialog box will show. Then you come to display, come to this display. Then after coming to display, if it is the background that you want to change, yes, either dark or white or light. So just click this drop down menu and select it. You see, if I click dark now and apply, the background will change to dark. Yes, let it load. It's loading. So you can see it has changed to dark. If I want to change it back to white, light, I'm changing it back. Click apply again. It will change so that you can adapt your working background to any type of color you want. So also, what of the interface, the interface environment? How do I change it? You still come to this display, then you come down to colors. You see where the colors is down here. Then this background, you see, you click on the background if your own is not on the background. Then you click on this color. So if I want black, I can change it to black. Click black. Yes, then I will apply and close. So you can see that's changed to black now. And now if I don't want black, if I want a white, yes, I'll just click it, click on background, then drop down menu, then click look for white. Yes, you can see white here. Then apply and close. So that is how to change the working environment on AutoCAD. This is Michael Civil Consult. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and do well to click the notification bell so that you can get notified anytime we drop videos like this.